Hello, good morning. Dana here again. I was just speaking to a friend. I know I did a live earlier, but I had to address this and I needed to speak to you. I think when we write things, it doesn't carry over as well as you hearing it. So I was speaking to someone and she was telling me that SoBuy turned out to be a scam. And, I joined it and did the few clicks, but I kept saying, I don't want to be distracted from my goal. I don't want to be distracted from my assignment. And so I did share it with a few people, and I decided not to invest financially in it. And I pray that they have not either, because SoBuy just happened to be what I said earlier, a scam. And they haven't, I don't know if they paid out anyone, but I know a number of people weren't paid out and it's gone. Okay, so we put our trust in a lot of these programs. It says never invest more than you can spend, but people work hard for their money, right? And they're looking for something that works. And I know a lot of people say, no, I don't like products. I don't like product-based companies. Well, a lot of these digital things aren't what they cut out to be. And I've been warned about another one, and I'm at the point where this weekend coming, I'm going to pull out most of my earnings from that particular one, because I don't want to be on the losing end anymore. And so this is why Wombversity is so important. It's a product-based company, yes, but it works. You don't have to sell the product, because the product sells itself. I'm just about educating you about your womb space. Also this weekend, while we were in St. Louis, Missouri, one of the young ladies who is now a part of our team, she was saying that she sold the products from her car for the past 4 years, and she's a giver. She's really a giver, a beautiful woman, Monique. And Monique was undercharging for the product, for any of the services that she does, her catering, the soaps that she makes. She just undersells. She doesn't understand her value. And we have to start understanding our value, and that we work hard for our money, and not to be put into these programs that are just going to run away with our monies. But we were joking about the mantra. Our mantra with Wombversity is no more SIS, no more suffering in silence. And so with her giving away products and so freely of herself, we said no more selling in silence. And I happened to say at that time, no more scamming in silence, no more scam in silence. And here it is this morning, I'm hearing about SoBuy. So guys, it's time to stop it. You work hard for your money. You as leaders, you believe that something is going to work, and then you bring people there to share, so that they too can be successful, with no intentions of them being scammed or ripped off. And so it is time for you guys to really reevaluate what it is that you're spending your time and your money, your energy, what you're pouring into, because some of these things are just set up to fail you. Okay, so connect with me. Let's talk. I want to share with you about the power of Wombversity, what's to come, the quantum shelf with the authors. I want to share with you about the television station that we're going to be having on Roku and Fire Stick, and we're going to be having these discussions about women's health. And how to change the trajectory, the numbers. 600,000 women having hysterectomies. We got to change that number, and we have to do it this year. We have to start it now, because too many of us are going through such pain when it's unnecessary. Infertilities, that is a whole nother gamut. And like I said, we're not making claims, because we're not the big pharmaceutical companies. You know how they do. Right? More synthetic things on top of synthetic things. It will fix this, but it's going to cause this, and it's going to cause that. We're going back to Eden. We're going back to the natural things. We're going back to the way that God designed for us to live in Eden, right? Plant-based. And I've got to go back to learning how to get rid of those meats in my diet, because they're doing damage too. They're causing damage to my womb. They're causing damage to my skin, my weight, everything. I'm even starting a new regimen, all plant-based regimen, to get my body back into health. I'm going to be running, guys. I'm going to be running with Wombversity. I'm going to be lighting up America and globally. Jamaica, we've already started planting the seeds there, so whenever we go global, you'll be ready. I'm running, and so I need a healthy body. I need energy. I need to take care of myself better and be more accountable to myself, for myself. So I love you. Have a marvelous Tuesday. I hope you don't get tired of hearing from me, because I've got so much to share, so much excitement to dispense and to empower you with. So I love you. I love you from my heart. I love you from my soul. I send healing frequency and energy your way, and to know that you are blessed and you are divine and you are called for a great purpose. Walk and live in your purpose. Have a great day. Love you.